Today's topic is one that has never been more serious in recent memory when you consider the advancement of cleaning as an industry. With me today is Steve Ashkin, the founder of the Ashkin Group. Steve spearheads many initiatives involving sustainability. Steve, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Jeff. I appreciate your time and being here.
It's an important time. We're going to spend just a few minutes here. Steve, I believe that there's an important message you'd like to share about LEED certification and recent development and some action you'd like people to take. Tell us about that.
So just real quickly, I think your listeners will be familiar with U.S. Green Building Council and the LEED rating system, which has become the roadmap for a comprehensive green cleaning program, right? It addresses chemicals, paper, equipment, plastic products, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Well, every 5 years, the USGBC develops a new version, right? They update the rating systems. And I have the pleasure to serve on the existing building operations and maintenance committee. And the reason that I'm here today is because it has just come out for public comments. And regrettably, I see this version 5 as a setback for our industry. They have eliminated the prerequisite, which was what we needed to address training, management systems, and those kind of things. While they are giving us more points, I don't think it's representative of the importance that cleaning has. And I'm asking people to pay attention, to help the USGBC improve their operations and maintenance rating system by submitting comments. And to this point, on Monday, April 22nd, we're doing a webinar with ISSA to go over the entire rating system, focusing on the cleaning credits and how you can comment. And if you're not sure how important that is, let me ask you a quick question. Do you believe that removing the trash and the recyclables in an operating building is worth 3 times the value of cleaning? Or do you believe that doing a single survey of occupants, their opinions about the operations of the building, requiring only 15% of the occupants to respond to it, is equal to all cleaning requirements in the building? If you don't agree with those things, if you don't agree that transportation is worth 3 to 4 times the amount of all cleaning in a building, then we need you to comment. So please join us for our webinar. We'll record it, but your comments are critical.
So, Steve, it's your position that if enough people say something, real action is going to happen.
It's the only way it will happen. Only way. Right? As Margaret Mead once said, never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. In fact, it's the only thing that ever has. This is the cleaning industry's opportunity to make a difference. And if we don't speak up, no one's going to speak up for us. So please comment. Please help us improve LEED. Please help us demonstrate the value that cleaning has to making buildings achieve why they exist, to make them healthier, to make them better, to make them more productive. It is up to us to showcase the importance that cleaning plays in accomplishing that.
So we need action. We need it now. And I'll put all the links people need in the video description below. So if you're watching this episode on YouTube, you can click to those links and make a difference. Thank you, Steve.